Understood. Let me ask you this. Initially, you appeared to be encouraged by what could possibly be a result of the effect of hydroxychloroquine. When did that change? When did you sour, if you will, on the use of hydroxychloroquine?
I believe that we've seen many drugs that could have benefit, and some of these are really interesting things we've never heard of, some we have.
I understand that, but my question was, when did you sour on it?
When it was determined that this drug should be made available to Americans outside the context of a close physician supervision. So I supported conducting a randomized controlled clinical study for hydroxychloroquine at the NIH. When I learned that there is a directive to make it more broadly available, not under close supervision of a physician, I was...
When was that? When did that directive go out?
That was March 23rd.
March 20, and that's the time that you decided, no, this is not what we should do, and we should not be looking at hydroxychloroquine at all.
I didn't think that was the proper, safe way to evaluate that drug in the context of this outbreak. I believe that should be only done under close supervision of a physician. When we put the EUA in place that locked this drug down to only be used in patients under close supervision of a physician, we were satisfied we had those guardrails in place. When an email string followed a week later saying, ignore the EUA, push this drug into the retail pharmacies in New York and New Jersey, that's when I became more concerned.
And who put that directive out?
Gentleman's time has expired.
Who put that directive out?
Gentleman's time has expired. You can answer, Dr. Wright.
Which directive, sir?
That it should be put out to the public without physicians approving it?
That directive was an email string that had a number of individuals on it, and I believe it first came from Dr. Vcr, the Assistant Secretary of Health. It indicated the White House was asking for that drug to be more broadly available.
So was it because the president was encouraged by the use of this drug that you became discouraged by it?
And nothing to do with politics, sir. I wanted to make sure that Americans were aware of the risk of this drug. It was only available under very...
But it is a drug that is indicated and has been used safely in the past.